Hey everyone, Lee here, Okanagan Sawmill. Just bringing another video again today. So we've got some more sawmilling, a few shorts going on today. So I'll just show you what I've got. So yeah, we got a couple of smaller elms, a bit of London plane and a walnut. And then we've got some bigger size elm as well. So these will probably end up being side tables / coffee tables, I guess. And then these will be more just like charcuterie boards and whatnot, cutting boards or whatever. So yeah, it's still super icy underfoot, not very pleasant, but the sun is trying to come out behind the trees there, so it should be pretty nice pretty soon. So yeah, what I'll do is I'll get you set up and we'll start sawmilling and yeah, see what these logs reveal to us. All right, I'll get you set up. Cheers. Okay, well, we were having a good day sawmilling, but it's sort of ended in disaster, I guess. So I'll just show you here. So essentially, the bearing exploded and broke into pieces. So I do have the other part of the bearing. There's the other part of the housing of the bearing. So I just went into town and grabbed a couple more bearings, so I'll pull all that apart. But as for sawmilling, that's it for today. But we got a whole bunch of stuff here. We got, yeah, just some smaller stuff here like charcuterie boards and whatnot. Same with those over there. And then we've got sort of like smaller coffee tables or side tables. So I've got a whole bunch there as well, so I need to get them stacked and stickered. But yeah, I shall pull all this apart and try and get it put. Really? I shall pull all this apart and try. Really? Really? You want to just... No. No. So yeah, I'll pull it all apart and try and get it put back together and get it up and running by tomorrow. We'll see if there's been any other damage besides the bearings, but well, yeah, not everything goes as smoothly as you like, but there you go, that's just part of it. So anyway, so yeah, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. All right.